Valentine's Day is a great opportunity to show someone you care with a personalized card. Instead of buying one, consider making a handmade card that reflects the recipient's likes and personality. You can paint a message in white pencil and then use watercolor to create a unique design. Another option is to use heart-shaped cookie cutters and paint to create stamp designs. If you prefer a sparkly card, you can use glitter and glue. Cutting a sponge into a heart shape and using it as a stamp is another creative option. You can also create a themed card with a matching pun or message. Drawing a heart and gluing buttons inside it can give your card a rustic, chic feel. Another idea is to glue folded paper hearts to the front of a card to make a bouquet. Adding a mini garland or sewing a mini felt heart bunting to the front of a blank card can also add a special touch.